Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to update the CapCut PC to latest version. So, how to update CapCut PC to the latest version to get new features and just try the beta version on this CapCut PC. You are just going to menu at the button, select more and select version. Just click and you are just going to click checks for that, and here's there is the new version. Just click install now and just um wait until the installing process is complete, and when it's done you are just going to restart the application and just look at the difference in the features. So that's how to update CapCut PC to the latest version. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for